Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So I just got a new gas cap for my car. This is a tethered gas cap, so I'm going to show how to put this on. The old one is not, or if it is, the tether part of it broke off a long time ago. But we're going to put this on today. The car's a 1997, and I don't know if the gas cap has been replaced. At least it hasn't been replaced in many years since I've had the car. But I'll show you this, how to put this on. Now this could cause some trouble codes, such as some of the PO4 codes, at least in a Toyota, particularly the PO441 code. So if you have a loose gas cap or you're not getting enough of a seal, then it may be time to get a new gas cap. So I'll get the old one off. Let's walk out and take a look at it, and then we'll do a comparison with the new one that we have here. Here's a vehicle with a tethered cap. Just take the cap off, get some pliers or vice grips, go up to the head where it's inserted, and just grab right here. You may have to pull up a little bit to get a good grip with your pliers, or it may be over here on the panel. Same thing, just grab a hold of it, lock it in place, kind of twist and pull it out. It should work for you. I just want to say I've got a couple of trouble codes, evap trouble codes. One of them being the PO441, which is can be a loose gas cap. So you know, that's part of the reason we're going to check this. So let's go back in and take a closer look. Here's a look at my old gas cap, and don't really see anything obviously wrong with it. Still got good rubber from what I can tell. Good curvature. If you look at this black line, it looks like where it's contacting the neck, filler neck, seems to go, you know, all the way around okay. But yeah, no real evidence that I see of anything really wrong with this. But we're going to try a new one anyway. Let's take a look at the new one. So here's our new one. Yeah, this is a MotoRad. The new one looks pretty identical, with the exception of the threads. You don't have as many threads as the old one, but the rubber still about the same. Got the good curvature. Maybe a little more flexible. It's a little darker. Old one here, a little faded. And this grip's a little bit better. You can see the fade. But that's about all the wear I see, and we have more threads, of course, but everything else seems to be about the same. Alright, so yeah, we've got the tethered cord here. It's good pliable rubber. Here's where we'll be inserting our retainer clip into the panel of the car. We do have different retaining clips here, different sizes. See here, quite a few different sizes. These, yeah, okay, they're all different. Smallest, and then we have the biggest one right here, widest one. We're going to clean now around the filler neck, where the rubber is going to be contacting. We want to get a better seal than we have if we can. For the newer one, I'm just going to use a cleaner. Got a white t-shirt. Now if you have rust on here, you know, you may have to do something a little bit different. Just make sure you don't get any debris into the tank. You may have to put a dam or something, or look at that. Go for second run. Yeah, you can see remnants of the old rubber on here. Guess that's what that was. Look at that. All right, I think that's going to be much better. It's got to be much better. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put the other end of the tethered cord. Got a couple of holes here. Probably this one right here. So I need to choose the retainer clip that's going to go in here best. So we're going to take our retainer clip, put it through the loop, and go into the hole. We've got a good swivel. Yeah, double click. Should be good. That's going to be it. The MotoRad replacement cap for this Toyota Camry. I'll do some driving here and see if we're getting better pressure for our evap system. I hope it's been helpful. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.